Hi, welcome to the Asphalt Nation. My name's Tim Smith. I'm a special guest today, Rob Halford, and I'm going to let Rob explain who he's with and what he does for the industry.
Yeah, my name's Rob at HNH Pavement Markings, also on Same Day Stencils. Been in the industry 20 years. Started Same Day Stencils 7 months ago. Uh, uh, we run H&H Pavement Markings, crack fill, seal coat, striping, Central Texas. Same with Same Day Stencils. Central Texas, you can order off of our Facebook. Currently working on a website, and
Call you, reach out on that.
You can reach out to me. My cell phone number is 254-654-2688. I can be reached anytime, 7 days a week. Custom stencils, barricade stencils, any stencils that you need, you can give me a call.
Awesome. So how did you get into this industry? Way back.
Got into this industry working for a company called Texas Materials. Worked for them for about 15 years. They sold out, got bought out by Old Castle Materials. Started doing a little striping on the side when the hours were very few and far between. January 15th, 2015, got fired from my job for conflict of interest. Didn't know anything else. Immediately grabbed one bar striping machine, started H&H Pavement Markings. 7 years later, we're still a very small company, very successful company, and now running multiple businesses.
So with Same Day Stencils, what prompted you to get into that industry? What portion of it?
I started Same Day Stencils because of the amount of stencils that I was producing, that I was needing to purchase. I do a lot for military bases, which require stencils on a weekly basis. When I filed my taxes last year, I found out I paid over $60,000 in parking lot stencils and found out it would be more economical for me to produce my own stencils. Then one friend asked for stencils, then another friend asked for stencils, and then Same Day Stencils was.
That's awesome. And I did see some videos of you delivering the stencils and airplanes, which I thought was pretty dang cool.
We are delivering stencils and airplanes. It's a 1979 Piper Lance. It's flown and owned by Chance Downing, which you see him on the internet now as the stencil plug.
Yeah.
That is not me. People are calling me, asking me, hey, this other guy's posting about stencils. I'm making Chance's stencils, but for a young kid, 21 years old, had his pilot's license since he was 14 years old. He lost his dad 3 years ago, and it means a lot to me to mentor and guide this kid on a successful path. And this is what I can help him with. This is what I know. So you will start seeing more of Chance Downing. I'm not going to give you all the details, but we are working on a location in Central Texas that will make everybody more aware for supplies, but we will have a storefront, and Mr. Downing, Chance Downing, he will be the stencil plug. And then I will be the backing behind the stencil plug, providing stencils and anything that he needs as far as my guidance goes.
That is awesome. I really admire you for that. And when somebody at that age, I want to make something that's not an easy industry, as you well know. But if you work hard and if you get successful with it. What do you see in the future of this industry? You see anything you're seeing now that you see is changing that's going to help improve the industry?
The amount of construction that people are building. I do a lot of work for SpaceX. I do a lot of work for Amazon. I do a lot of work for Walmart, and fixing to stripe the Meta building in Central Texas. So, I mean, the growth that our economy is seeing, we're seeing construction, they're building, they're maintaining parking lots. I mean, there's so much work out there right now. I'm passing off work to friends and competitors, and even willing to help people like my brother that started VIP Sealcoating, because there's just some stuff that I just cannot get to. So why not help out family and friends by providing them with your overflow of work to make sure that they can feed their family just like we're feeding ours?
Now, if you could offer one piece of advice for somebody starting out in the industry, what would that one piece be?
I would get with a mentor, find somebody that is successful in business, come to these meetings, these gatherings and get-togethers, talk to people that is successful, make friends with them, call them, email them. They answer their phone, they'll answer your questions, and they'll guide you. Some people in this market are not interested in helping, but there are those that are successful. You, Tim, Chip, the rest of the crew, grab the phone, call Chris Bishop, call these other guys that's doing the work, call me. You got my cell phone? I don't care what time it is. I'll answer the question. I don't care if you're my competitor. We're in direct competition with each other. I'm going to help you out. I've sold Sealcoat to competitors, gave them crack fill, give them stencils. There's enough work in this for everybody, but it also is a competitive market, and I'm very competitive about it. And you see me on the internet being competitive about it. You got people unhappy, but it is what it is. I mean, we're all going to make money. We all have to support our family, and we're all going to grow. And the people that are doing shady and not so great, subpar work, they'll fade off and another one will start. Those are here today, gone tomorrow companies. But if they do have drive and ambition, come to somebody that will help you and mentor you and show you how to do it properly to be successful.
It's been a pleasure to meet you this weekend in person. You did a lot of great stuff with us this weekend. I really appreciate it. We had a great event here in Astor at Asphalt Pro, which is one of our sponsors. And yeah, so thank you, and we'll see you next time, and have a blessed day.